Welcome to Watercolor Lessons with Kathy. I'm Kathy Nichols, and I'm a lifelong artist, painter, and teacher. I help students of all ages tap into their creativity with watercolor. Watercolor is a great way to express yourself, and it's easy to get started and fun to do. I hope you join me to learn how to paint with watercolor. I can't wait to see your paintings. Welcome to the fourth lesson in our Flowers in Vases series. Today, we'll paint two pretty lilacs in a vase. We'll use two brushes, 7 paints, wet on dry, wash, and blotting techniques. Feel free to use this lesson's painting as a model. Be sure to check below for useful information and links. Spray your palette and pans with water. Wet and load your round with pointed tip brush with intense blue and paint the outline of the vase. Pull paint from the sides and add water effects. Dip the brush in water and spread more paint. Load with more blue and paint more shading and emphasis. Wet and load your liner with Viridian Green and paint the lilac stems and leaves. Spread some green in the water to create reflections of the stems. Load your liner with crimson red and intense blue to make a purple hue. Paint the lilac blossoms and their reflections. Add some more blue shading and emphasis. Here I dried the brush and lifted out some excess blue paint. Load the liner with crimson red and intense and ultramarine blues and paint the tablecloth. Wet the brush and pull paint down from the top of the tablecloth. Load with Viridian and sap greens and burnt umber and darken the leaves and stems. dry to set the paint. Load with viridian and sap greens and burnt umber and darken the leaves and stems. A little more green reflection. A little more blue shading. Now it's time to enjoy what you've done. Thanks for watching today's lesson. Please join me next time and we'll paint daffodils in a vase. To send me photos of your creations, email them to the address in the description below. To be notified when there's a new lesson, be sure to subscribe, like, and tap the bell. Take care, stay safe, and see you soon.